Hello students, today we are going to solve some more questions regarding the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so first of all you can see some of the questions. P and Q are the 2 points. P and Q are the 2 points on the side CA and CB. Okay, of the right angle triangle ABC. You can see the questions. First of all, question triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Okay, this is the right angle triangle and right angle at C. You can see this is the triangle and here is the 90 degree C and P and Q are 2 points on side CA. This is the CA and here is the P. Okay, and the C and the Q are the points on the BC. So this is the BC and this is the point on Q. This is the point Q on BC. Okay, so we need to prove here AQ square. Here is the AQ square plus BP square. Okay, BP square equals to AB square plus AB square plus what? PQ square. Okay, we will have to join it PQ square. Okay, so first of all we will have to take which how we find how we will get AQ square and BP square. After that we will discuss discuss RHS. First of all we will have to take the LHS. Okay, how we will find? So suppose that you can see AQ square. AQ square means AQ square. Okay, so if you want to find AQ square, then you will have to take what? Triangle ACQ. Okay, am I right now? So this is the this is the A this is for AQ square, and if you want to find the BP square, so please check here BP. This is the BP. Okay, so you will have to take what? Triangle BCP. Okay, so after that we will add, because this is the symbol of addition, so we will have to add it. Okay, and after we will change, we will reduce the RHS term, so that we will get AB square plus PQ square. So let's process to solve the questions. Okay, so let's process to solve the question. That is we first of all we will have to write what is the part of given in the question. So first of all we can write here given. This is the part of given. Given is, we can say, given ABC ACB is a triangle. ACBJ right angle triangle. ACBJ right angle triangle. ACBJ right angle triangle at C. Okay, equal to C equals to 90 degree. We can write here, and this is the part of proof. So to prove this is the AQ square plus BP square equals to AB square plus PQ square. So we will have to take, this is the proof. Now, so first of all we will have to find AQ square. That's why we will have to take triangle what? Triangle ACQ. Okay, so in right angle triangle ACQ, so we can write here what? AQ square equals to what? AC square plus CQ square. AC square plus CQ square. This is due to Pythagoras theorem, and this is the equation number 1. Okay, so now we need BP square. That's why we will have to take triangle BCP. Okay, so in right angle triangle BCP. Okay, so in right angle triangle BCP we need BP square. That's why we will have to take BP square equals to what? BC square plus CP square. Okay, CP square. This is due to Pythagoras theorem. You can write it equation 2. Okay, now you can see we will add, because this is the symbol of addition. Okay, if here is the symbol of multiplication, then we will have to multiply. If we will have to if here is a symbol of negative, then we will have to subtract. Okay, so you must approach the direction of to proof part. Okay, don't approach through the own mind. Okay, so you should go through the to proof part, what we need and what we need and how we will get that. Okay, so first of all we can add it. Okay, so adding equation 1 adding equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and equation 2. So we can write here what? If we will add equation 1 and 2, so we will get here a aq square plus bp square. Okay, so aq square plus bp square equals to what? AC square plus CQ square. AC square plus CQ square plus what? AC square plus CQ square plus BC square plus CP square. BC square plus CP square. So you can see we need AQ square plus BP square. Okay, we already got it, and now we will have to change the RHS term. Okay, so how you can change? So foot star. Okay, we need here what? AB square. So here is the AB, no. Here is the PQ, no. So we will have to remove all the terms. Okay, we will have to remove it. We will have to remove it. We will have to remove it, and we will also remove it. Okay, so that we will get AB square plus PQ square. First of all, please check where is the AB square. This is the AB square, and we have AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. So we can write it AC square plus BC square equals to AB square due to ABCD triangle. So it will reduce AC square plus BC square. We can write what? AB square. Okay, and next CQ square plus B is CQ square plus CP square. You can see this is the triangle. Okay, so if CQ square plus CP square is all given, then we can write in the place of CQ square plus CP square what? PQ square. Okay, so you can write it directly. Okay, so we can write here what? AC square equals to AC square plus what? BC square. AC square plus BC square plus what? Plus CQ square plus what? CQ square plus CP square. So CQ square plus CP square. So AC square plus BC square will become AC square BC square become what? AB square and CQ square plus CP square become PQ square. Okay, so PQ square. Yes, PQ square. So this is the proof. So you can write in the bracket. So the bracket that in triangle AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. Okay, you can write in bracket. Okay, so this is the AQ square plus BP square. Okay, so this is the proof. So, and if you wish to write AC square plus BC square, that is the AB square, you can write in the bracket. Okay, it's doesn't matter. Okay, so you can write it right here like this way. Suppose in right angle triangle what? A C B. So you can write here AB square plus what? AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. Okay, AC square plus BC square due to Pythagoras theorem. So just you can write here in triangle ACQ, in right angle triangle what? PCQ. We can write here what? PQ square equals to what? CP square plus CQ square. Okay, students. So this is the questions. So you should practice it, and you should solve more and more questions so that you can generate this type of generate that you can do that questions. Okay, or so many questions regarding the geometry. Okay. Student, this is the homework. Okay, so you should try to practice that questions. This is the triangle ABC is the right angle triangle at B. Okay, and this is the median. AD is the median of triangle ABC. That's why this is equal, and C is also median. That's why this is the equal. So AC equals to 5 cm is given, and AD equals to 3 root under 5 by 2 cm is given. To find the length of C, okay, we need to find C. What is the length of C? By using concept of question 1 and 2, you can solve what is the value of C, and you can reply me in the comment section what is the answer of that questions, so that I can I can just to you that you are able to solve that question or not. Otherwise, I will solve that question. I will solve that questions. Okay, and so please try to find the value of C. If you are unable to solve, then you can reply me on the comment sections. Okay, so then I will upload that one video for that these questions. Okay, so this is the triangle, B is the right angle, C is the median, AD is the median, and this is the data AC 5 centimeter, AD equal to 325 by 2 centimeter. Find the length of CE. Okay, thank you.